Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates. Today, we're diving into how to apply for a Simplii financial credit card. It's straightforward and can be done entirely online. Let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to the Simplii financial website. Once you're there, navigate to the credit card section, which you can find in the main menu. Simplii offers different types of credit cards to fit various needs, whether you're looking for cashback, travel rewards, or a low interest rate card. Browse through the options and decide which card suits you best. Once you've decided on a card, click on the Apply Now button. This will direct you to the application form. Complete the application form with your personal information, such as your name, date of birth, address, and employment details. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any delays. After filling out all the required fields, review your information and then click the Submit button.